Hi, welcome back to this short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to fix too many attempts error on TikTok. So if you are facing this error on the login on the TikTok application, how you can fix it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So sometime this issue will appear while you are logging on the TikTok. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the TikTok application right here. As you can see, you will see this type of the page. Now you will see open box here. Here you will find the update button. So simply you have to update your TikTok application from here. Once you will do it, try to log into your TikTok account. If still it's not working, simply go back, tap a while on the TikTok app icon, go to the info, and here you will see storage and the cache. First of all, you can clear your cache from here and try to log into your TikTok. Otherwise, if it's not working, here you will see clear storage, click on it. Once you will do it, hope so this trick will work for you. So these are the ways. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.